Hello, so we want to solve this equation, right, and find the value of t, right? So from here, we have that, first of all, solution. We do what? We cross multiply. If you cross multiply, first of all, let me write this out. If you cross multiply, you have what? 2 times this equal to 3 times this. You distribute. If you distribute this times 2 times 4t will give you what? 8t plus 2 times 3 will give you 6 equal to 3 times t will give you 3t. 3 times 3 will give you 9. You cross multiply. Okay, you collect like terms, I mean. If you collect like terms, this will come to this side. You have 8t minus 3t equal to 9 minus 6. Hence, you have what? 5t equal to what? 3. You divide both sides with coefficient of t, which is divide both sides with 5, this with 5. Hence, 5 will cancel 5. T is equal to 3 over 5. As simple as that.